Good afternoon. My name is Jakeria Monique, and I am the owner and creator of JMRKOUTURE. And welcome to my YouTube channel. I will be showing you guys how to make my 24 karat orange flavor lip gloss that you don't have to use Versagel for. And the only ingredient, well, the main ingredient that you will need is Vaseline. So this is what I'm using today, Vaseline. You'll be needing some coconut oil, some vitamin E oil, and some grapeseed oil today. This is what I am using. An orange flavor, and my gold mica color, a spoon, a measuring cup, your measuring utensil. This is 1 teaspoon, a pipette to pick up my flavor with, your lip gloss tubes, and some gloves, and your sanitized area. Alright, so let's get started. Put my gloves on. Okay, so I'm going to start off with 4 scoops of Vaseline inside of the measuring cup. And 4 spoonfuls, because I want to fill up 4 tubes today. Okay. I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, two teaspoons of vitamin E oil, and 2 teaspoons of grapeseed oil. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and place this over boiling hot water so that it can melt down, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I am back with my oils melted down. This is my grapeseed oil, my coconut oil, my vitamin E oil, my Vaseline, my petroleum jelly. So what I'm going to do now is add my orange flavor. Very much flavor. Yeah, that smells good. And my gold color. That looks good. Oh, that smells amazing. Look at that. You see that? 24 karat orange. Oh my God, that smells amazing. So we're going to let it cool down a little so that I can be able to pour it into my tubes. I have 4 tubes here, and I'm going to squeeze these into. Oh, that's so pretty. That is so pretty. Close up, baby. That is so pretty. Look at that. 24 karat. 24 karat gold orange flavored lip gloss that you don't need Versagel for. All you need is Vaseline or petroleum jelly of your choice. It will be easy to make. Petroleum jelly of your choice and your oils of your choice. Today I use coconut oil, vitamin E oil, and grapeseed oil for you guys. But look at how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Okay. That is so pretty and it smells amazing. So I should be able to get 4 lip glosses with this making. And if you guys are trying to make more, all you have to do is just double up the recipe. I use 4 scoops. Just double up the recipe. Okay. So I'm going to pour them into the lip gloss tubes, and I'm going to sit them in this container because I don't have my other one with me. That's 1. Four lip glosses, right? Okay, so I poured them all into the tubes. We're gonna let them cool down so that it can settle and mold, and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so I am back and I have finished making my 24 karat gold orange flavored lip glosses. The ones that you do not need Versagel for. All you need is Vaseline of your choice and your oils. And this is what it looks like. Isn't it gorgeous? I got all 4 tubes here. Isn't it gorgeous? Yes. Awesome. I'm wearing some right now. And it doesn't even show like the gold on your lips. Like it doesn't even show. It just looks flawless, right? So I just want to thank you guys for watching and continue to tune into my channel, subscribe, like, comment, and let me know what you guys think of my 24 karat lip glosses. Fabulous. So just let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and don't forget to follow all my social media websites, which is Jakeria Monique at Instagram and Facebook, or JMRKOUTURE, couture with a K, at Instagram and Facebook. The links will be in the description box, and I just want to thank you guys for watching. All right, bye. See you guys in my next one. Bye.